Good morning, students. Hope you are all healthy and happy. Welcome to our General Knowledge online class. Open your textbook, lesson number 9, Animal Reason. There is no question answers in this lesson. This is provided for your information only. Let us read the lesson. The animal kingdom boasts of some incredible eyes. The eyes of some animals, such as cats, dogs, and lemurs, glow in the dark because they have a layer of cells lining the back, which acts like a mirror and reflects light. Two of the grasshopper's five eyes are compound eyes. They are placed on either side of the head and contain thousands of single lenses that help the grasshopper see in front, on the sides, and at the back. Unlike other animals, goats, horses, and deer have wide rectangular pupils that allow them to see at a 330-degree angle, whereas humans can see up to an angle of 185 degrees. The eyes of the dragonfly are so huge that they almost cover its entire head and provide a full 360-degree field of vision. The eyes of a chameleon are independent of each other. This means it can look in two completely different directions at the same time. We the humans can only focus on one thing at a time, called binocular vision, whereas the chameleon can focus both the eyes in different directions. Therefore, the chameleon can observe two different objects simultaneously. A gecko's eyes have many light sensitive cells which enable it to see up to 350 times better than human beings. It can even see colors in the dark. The colossal squid, a marine animal, has the largest eye of any living animal. They measure nearly 30 cm in diameter, about the size of a human head. This is the end of lesson number 9. Now come to lesson number 10. Source of life. In this lesson also there is no question answers. So students, you read it yourself. Now we will do lesson number 11, Gems of India. The Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian honor in the country, conferred upon a person who has rendered exceptional service to the nation. Identify these winners of the Bharat Ratna. Number 1. Former President and rocket scientist, popularly known as the Missile Man of India. The answer is APJ Abdul Kalam. Awul Pakir Jainulabadin Abdul Kalam was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was born and raised in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu, and studied physics and aerospace engineering. Number 2. Known as Mahamana, he founded the Banaras Hindu University. The answer is Madan Mohan Malviya. Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya was an Indian scholar, educational reformer, and politician notable for his role in the Indian independence movement. As the 4 times President of Indian National Congress and the founder of Akhil Bharatiya Hindu Mahasabha. Number 3. A brave freedom fighter, she is best remembered for her role in the Quit India movement. The answer is Aruna Asaf Ali. Aruna Asaf Ali was an Indian educator, political activist, and publisher, an active participant in the Indian independence movement. She is widely remembered for hosting Indian national flag at the Gwalior Tank Maidan, Bombay during a Quit India movement in 1942. Number 4. An eminent industrialist and the first Indian to receive a commercial pilot's license. The answer is J.R.D. Tata. Jahangir Ratanji Dadabhai Tata was an Indian aviator, entrepreneur, chairman of Tata Group, and the shareholder of Tata Sons. Born into the Tata family of India, he was the son of noted businessman Ratanji Dadabhai Tata and his wife Suzanne Berry. Number 5. Known as the Iron Man of India, he was India's first Deputy Prime Minister. The answer is Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Jawaharlal Patel, popularly known as Sardar Patel, was an Indian politician. He served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. Number 6. The Diwan of Mysore, whose birthday is celebrated as Engineers Day. The answer is M. Visvesvaraya. Sir Mokshagunam Visvesvaraya, more commonly known as Sir M.V., was an Indian civil engineer and statesman and the 19th Diwan of Mysore, serving from 1912 to 1919. Number 7. A Dalit leader and the chief architect of Indian Constitution. The answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Bhimarao Ramji Ambedkar, also known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar, was an Indian jurist, economist, politician, and social reformer who inspired the Dalit Buddhist movement and campaigned against social discrimination towards the untouchables. Number 8. Noted economist known for his theories on welfare economics. The answer is Amartya Sen. Amartya Kumar Sen is an Indian economist who since 1972 has taught and worked in the United Kingdom and the United States. So students, once again check the answers. Question number 1, the answer is APJ Abdul Kalam. Number 2 answer Madan Mohan Malviya. Number 3 answer is Aruna Asaf Ali. Number 4 JRD Tata. And answer to question number 5 is Vallabhbhai Patel. And number 6 M. Visvesvaraya. Number 7 B.R. Ambedkar. And answer to the question number 8 is Amartya Sen. So students, there is a help box in which all the names are given. So note down the answers in your GK book without any mistakes. Thank you.